Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, y'all. So today I'm just popping on real quick. I just turned the camera on. I'm mid-process of putting together what Liz from Liz 4-Day calls Project 20 now. I think, if I'm correct, Project 20 is where you commit to kind of putting together 20 pieces of ephemera or, you know, accessories for your junk journals each day. Now, I'm never going to be able, well, I can say never. I'm not at a place right now in my life where I can commit to doing 20 of anything in one day, okay? Especially if it's not paying the bills. But I am committed to maybe 5. I can do 5. So that being said, last night I started working on some pieces that I can add to the newest. I started a new devotional journal, and I use altered composition notebooks for that because it allows a little bit more journaling, and I need the journaling. It's kind of therapeutic for me. Crafting is therapeutic, but the writing process, it helps me get out what I learned from each devotional or the scriptures that I've read. So all that being said, I started last night. I put together these. Let me move some stuff out the way so y'all can see without distraction. Put together these, and I'm gonna go real brief with it. And I use the stamps from the Destinations paper kit for focal points, as well as scrap paper. And that gray back there you see is nothing more than the inside portion of security envelopes that you get in the mail. And then I use some lace trim, some vintage book poetry from a vintage book, and you know, just some scraps that I had laying around. And most of it is on coffee dyed cardstock and paper. And then these are the ones that I started working on today before I realized maybe I should turn the camera on. I hope you guys can see all of that. Now, I plan to finish these off with some stitching around the edges. That may or may not happen on camera. Probably using white or whatever tickles my fancy for the moment. And I know I'm going fast, but you guys, you've seen this type of stuff before. This is nothing new. So I've got a few more that I'm going to do to complete my 20. Let's see how many I have here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I can make 4 more. I've got 2 already in process. And some of them I distressed the edges, some of them I didn't. It really just depended on, you know, how I felt at the moment. So all that being said, I am going to grab things that, oh gosh, I just have, you know, scrap paper and lace trims hanging around. I think that'll work. That'll work back there. This will work over here. And then some wording. Yep, that's great. See, it doesn't have to be that complicated, people. And if you know, like I know, with as many interruptions as I have in my home, recording is a true challenge. So, you know, if you ever watch one of my videos and there's absolutely no noise in the background, consider it a major feat and a win for your girl fam, because let me tell you something. Between my husband interrupting with, you know, highly important stuff, because everything that he needs to talk about is seriously important and can't wait. And then my son and, you know, his video gaming in the background. Oh, that's a little wider. You know, his video gaming in the background, and neating snacks and stuff like that. And then now with the addition of my dad, you know, with his phone calls going on speakerphone and questions in the back and not realizing that I'm filming. You know, so it's not, you won't see me as often. And if you do, just know that you know, I definitely love my subscribers and my YouTube family here, because I definitely put forth the effort to get a video out without a whole bunch of interruptions. And I know that there's plenty of us moms out there that, you know, we ain't gonna be able to get the video right, so we just going ahead and put it out there as it is, or we won't be able to get one out at all, because the editing process is a beast, and sometimes it takes more time than actually doing the work. So then you have the challenge of you know, putting in more time for something that you know, takes time away from you and your family. So all that being said, I enjoy crafting. The videoing process, I enjoy recording. I don't enjoy editing, which sometimes it makes the creating process and putting out a video and uploading it the most difficult part, to be frank and honest with you. Just getting a easy video to edit. So I ain't complaining, I'm just letting y'all know the struggles, and they are real. Alright, so moving right along with all of that, I need something else in here, some type of contrast to make me happy here. Okay, this might do it, and then I'll be happy with the white. Yep. Okay, so you know, there's no rhyme or reason when you're doing collaging and, you know, this stage of it, because you just do what looks good at the moment, and sometimes it all comes together. Sometimes you look back and you say to yourself, what in the world was I thinking with that little bit? And then there's other times where you admire your work and you wish that you could do more of it. It's hit or miss, you know. There's no science to this, and it need not be. But with growth, and the more you do things, the more you realize what you do like and what you don't like, and then you're able to replicate that idea or that look more often. And then times you want to go for something new. So that being said, I am going to be quiet, and I'm going to, well, finish this up to some music, guys. Alright guys, so that is my 20 pieces of junk journal, devotional journal, altered composition notebook, journal, traveler's notebook, ephemera. Okay, now I plan on, as I stated earlier, just probably finishing this off with a little bit of stitching on my sewing machine, and that will be the end of that. But with all that being said, I am happy to have accomplished one project 20, even if it took me 2 days. So if you like this video, of course you guys know you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, for coming back, for supporting the channel, for your comments, your feedback, your inspiration, your encouragement. And until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.